Hi folks, here's my update on fixing this camper. We're working on the roof. I'm working on the roof now too. And I'm sure a lot of people have heard that old saying, measure twice, cut once, instead of measure once, cut twice. Well, I would add that dry fit everything, the law of epoxy resin. Right now I'm fitting this into the roof edging to make sure it fits, and getting ready to cut a pocket for the lift brackets that go like this, making sure everything fits before I laminate it, because this stuff is super permanent and it's actually pretty strong with the resin sandwiching the board here. It's very light, and I ran out of resin because I want to completely soak this plywood in the resin as another protection against rot in case of a leak, which I intend for there not to be, but you never know. So it's a lot easier to make progress when I'm not so busy tearing things up and making a mess. And then when I clean things up, things go faster. So I don't know. Once again, dry fit everything. The iron law of resin, epoxy resin. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hope that helps.